Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
cargo brackets.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Hey guys, Josh here with the Ronin Factory, and today I'm going to review another great product for all of you Ford truck owners. If you're looking for additional tie-down points in the bed of your truck to secure your motorcycle or any other cargo, we've got you covered with our 2015 and newer Ford truck tie-down brackets, compatible with any Ford locking cleats. These 4 plates are powder coated with a thick and durable texture that will match your bed liner and last for many years. All the hardware you need is included, as well as the Torx drive to install the screws. One thing unique about our offer is that our screws have a security Torx drive for additional protection from theft. There are some tips to help ensure a successful install that I'll cover now. First, you'll notice that the bolt holes in the truck for attaching the brackets are not threaded. Our screws are made to be self-threading, which requires some forethought before you jump in. Second, you will want to add a lubricant to the threads of the screws. This will help reduce the friction when screwing in and prevent the bolts from breaking. Any thick oil, grease, or even some candle wax will help. The second tip is you will want to have an impact driver like the one we have here. This will help drive the screws in as the threads are being formed. To get started, I'm first just going to drive each screw into any 2 holes without the bracket so that the threads are formed. Then I can put the bracket on and finish the other 2 screws. Make sure you have the orientation of the bracket correct, as shown here with the larger opening towards the bottom. Make sure you don't over-tighten the screws with the impact driver, as this could cause them to break. Next, you can simply install the Ford locking cleats as shown, and in no time, you'll be ready to tackle more projects with more tie-down points in the bed of your truck. The second tip is you will want to have an impact driver like the one we have here. This will help drive the screws in as the threads are being formed. The orientation of the bracket correct. Next, you can simply install the Ford locking cleats as shown,